I just built this N8N workflow which creates viral AI videos using Nano Banana 2 and Kling 3.0. Let me show you a quick demo. On Telegram, I just gave a topic, cats as pilots. The workflow triggered, the AI agent creates the image and video prompt. Now Nano Banana 2 generates the image, then Kling 3.0 converts that image into a video and has been sent back to Telegram. And here we go, here is the video. In this tutorial, I am going to show you the step-by-step process to build this workflow from scratch. Even if you are a complete beginner, you will be able to follow along. So let's get started. First thing first, we need access to Nano Banana 2 and Kling 3.0 APIs. For that, we are using AtlasCloud AI. It's a platform where you can access all image and video generation models. Here we can see Nano Banana 2, Kling 3.0 and Seedream 5.0 Lite. You can browse all available models on the Explore page. Unlike other platforms, there is no monthly subscription. It's a pay-per-usage model. You can add as little as $5 in credits and start instantly. So our first step is to add the AtlasCloud node to N8N. It's a community node, so we have to install it. Right now we are on the N8N dashboard. Go to settings, select community nodes, then install a community node. Here we need to paste this npm package name. It's N8N-nodes-AtlasCloud. I will include that in the video description, so from there you can easily copy and do the same. Now tick the confirmation box and click install. It's done. Now go back and let's verify the node is available. Just search AtlasCloud and there we go, the AtlasCloud nodes are showing up. So now let's start building our workflow. First we are adding a Telegram trigger. Tap on the plus icon, search Telegram. Select it, set the trigger action to on message. I have already connected this Telegram bot with N8N. If you are unsure how to do that, I have created a 1-minute video showing how we can create a Telegram bot and connect with N8N. You can find the link in the video description. Now let's execute this node and it's listening for a test event. Then head over to Telegram and we are going to send a prompt and build the rest of the workflow around that message. Let's say cats running a restaurant while humans eat at the tables. We are aiming something funny here and the message has been sent. Back in Telegram, it's triggered. Here is the message. Let's print this data and close it. Next, we are adding an AI agent node to generate a structured prompt for the image and video. Here, switch to the input mode to define below. Then drag and drop the text string to the user message field. We also need a brain for our AI agent, that means a chat or LLM model. Tap on the plus icon and select a model. I'm going with OpenAI and here we can change the model if required. Back on the AI agent node and let's add some system instruction. Tap add option and select system message. I have already prepared a structured instruction set covering the rules for generating the image and video prompts. Let me copy and paste it here. Don't worry, all these resources is available in a blog post and you can find the link in the video description. We also need a specific output format from the agent. So enable this option and close it. Now from this plus icon, select structured output parser. Now remove the default content and add image underscore prompt in quotes, colon, image prompt in quotes, comma, and just like that, video underscore prompt in quotes, colon, video prompt in quotes. This way the AI agent responds in a clean format where both prompts are written as separate strings, making them easy to map in the next steps. Back on the AI agent node and let's execute the step. Done, and here we can see the image and video prompt generated based on our input. Okay, let's close this. Okay, now we are ready to create the AI image and video. First, let's add the Nano Banana 2 API. Tap on the plus icon, search AtlasCloud and select the second one, AtlasCloud Task Submit. Click on Add to Workflow. First, we have to connect our AtlasCloud account with N8N. Here we need the API key. To get that, go to the AtlasCloud dashboard. Click on Manage API Key. And from here you can create one. Once done, just copy the API key and paste it here. Click save and our account has connected successfully. Close this. Now on the category name, select text to image and select the model as Nano Banana 2 text to image. In the prompt column, just drag and drop the image prompt string like this. Now click on add optional parameters And here we can set some parameters like aspect ratio, resolution and output format. First select as per ratio. Since we are creating vertical AI short videos, select 9:16. Then let's set the resolution. I'm selecting 1K. Then output format as PNG. And here select the execution mode as wait for completion. Now click on add option and select poll interval and set it as 2 seconds. So this will check if the image generation is completed in every 2 seconds. Okay, let's execute this step. It will take a few seconds. It's done. And in the output we can see a link. It is actually the AI image link. Let's open it in a new tab to see how it looks. It's downloading and here we go. This is the image. 2 cats are cooking, one is serving the food. It overall looks good. Now comes the final step, converting this image into a video. Tap on the plus icon and add another AtlasCloud node to call the Kling 3.0 model. Here select the category name as image to video and select the model as Kling 3.0 standard image to video. And in the prompt column, from the AI agent output, drag and drop the video prompt string like this. And here we have to provide the reference image URL. So from the previous node, just drag and drop the output string which contains the image URL. Now click on add optional parameters and select duration. I'm setting it as 10 seconds. Then let's enable the video sound, so it will also add AI generated sound effect to the video as well. And same as before, change the execution mode to wait for completion. Then click on add option, poll interval and set it as 2 seconds. Now we have done everything. Let's execute this step. It's done. If we scroll a bit, we can see the video link in the output. Let's select JSON here. Then copy the full link and open it in a new tab to see the output. And here we go.
Soulberry?
Okay, the video turned out well with a funny mood. Now our final step, sending the video back to Telegram. Just tap on the plus icon, search Telegram, select it and set the action as send a video. First we have to define the chat ID. It's a unique ID every Telegram account has. To get that, go to the Telegram trigger node and here we can see the from ID. Just copy that number and paste it here. Next we have to paste the AI video link here. From the previous node, drag and drop the output string like this. Okay, now let's execute this step and it's done. Let's check Telegram and here we go. Here is the video.
Soulberry?
Perfect. Now it's the time to do the final test. Let me clear the execution and unpin the data. Now clicking execute workflow, it's listening for the message. Let's go to Telegram and give another topic. Let's say penguins working in an office. The message has been sent. Go back to the N8N dashboard and it has triggered the workflow. The AI agent creates the prompt. Now Nano Banana 2 API creates the AI image. Kling 3.0 converts that image to video and it is delivered to Telegram. And here it is. So our workflow is working perfectly. Here instead of sending it back to Telegram, you can even add a YouTube node to upload it directly on YouTube or Instagram or whatever you need. Once everything is set, you can just publish the workflow. Then you can just give a topic on Telegram and get the video back without opening the N8N dashboard. Okay, I will provide all the resources and the workflow JSON file in a blog post. You can find the link in the video description. Also, I will give you the AtlasCloud joining link. There you can get $1 credit to test their platform for free. That's it. If you have any doubt, feel free to let me know in the comments, and I will be uploading more useful AI and automation videos in the upcoming days. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.